Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to connect pendrive through OTG in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, in your phone, go to the bottom side of your phone. See here. Here we will have C-type port. In this port, you got to use OTG adapter. This is OTG adapter. In the OTG adapter, one end will have C-type, other end will have the USB female port. Okay. So here you have to insert C-type pin to C-type port here. Okay. And then in the other end of the OTG, you have to connect a pendrive. Here, this is pendrive. I am connecting this pendrive here. Yes, pendrive is connected. Now to access the files in pendrive, what you have to do is go to the notification area, and there will be some notification showing like USB storage added. Just click it, and here you can access folders in your pendrive. Okay. Also you can access through my files option. Go to home page of your phone and go to Samsung and go to my files. Okay. So here you will have USB storage option. Just click it. Okay. And you can access all files in your pen drive. Okay. So in this way you can easily connect pen drive through OTG and do OTG settings in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.